everyone, welcome all of you. And today we will discuss about the list of laptops. First, we start the list of a laptop. Uh, Once understand the what type of laptop we want in the BARC for the architecture whole years, like for the 10 to 12 years for architecture student there is a many software like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp and many more. Okay, and some editing softwares are also there like photoshops and that all thing. Without any delay, let's move further. In laptop there is a three main things. One is the processor, second is graphic card, a third is the storage. And let's start with the processor. In processor there is a two brands are there. One is Intel and second is AMD. In Intel there is a four type of processors are there. There is a partition of all the processor with their functions. Like there is a basic core i3, and then after i3 there is a core i5. After core i5 there is a core i7, then core i9. Okay, and in AMD the same is there only, but there's a changes in the name. Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9. In AMD and Intel there's a two differences there. Intel is too expensive and AMD is money friendly. In small amount they give a best performance AMD, but there is a disadvantage in the AMD that the AMD laptops are more heatable, like they gain more heat while rendering and that all functioning. Okay, so it's your choice that you can choose the AMD processor also and Intel processor also, but both processors are too good. There is no complaint in that all processor. And there is a main recommendations for the processor is i5, i7, i9 in Intel, and in AMD Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9. You can go through with Ryzen 5, but there is not a good enough amount of speed is there, so you can go through with Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9. Okay, and after processor there is a graphic card. Okay, there are main recommendations for the graphic card is a Nvidia. In Nvidia also there is a RTX. There is a series of a RTX, so you can go through with that RTX series. And there is another graphic card also you can go through with the AMD, same like a processor also. In AMD there is a series is Radeon series. In Radeon you can go through with the up to more than 4 GB. Okay, 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB, there's a many thing. It's in your budget, you can buy it, but less than 4 don't buy the graphic card, or buy the more than 4 GB only. Okay, it will give you good performance till end. And in storage there is a two type of storage are there. One is RAM and another is hard drive. Hard drive you can say that, and internal storage also. Okay, RAM. In RAM also there is a many type of series is there, like DDR4, DDR3, 3, 2, and via recommendation is there. DDR4, DDR5 are there in the market. You can go through with them also. And storage up to 16 GB, because AutoCAD 2022 there is a like need of a 16 GB storage is there in the laptop, so of the RAM, then you can go through it. And in the hard drive there is a two type of hard drives are there. One is SSD and second is HDD. For the if you have a good amount, then you can go through with the SSD. If you don't have the good amount of the money, then you can go with the hybrid, like some part of a SSD and some part of a HDD. Okay, Let's explain you what the hybrid is there. Like you see, these are two slots are there. One is for the SSD and second is for HDD. The window there is a C drive is there. Then for the C drive you can go through with SSD and another like H and D are there. For there you can go through with the HDD. Okay, in HDD also there is a RPM is there above 7200 RPM. You can go through with that HDD, and in SSD there is a Nvidia SSD M2. You can go through with a 500 GB storage. I think you all understand, and there is something confusion is there between you all that we should buy the laptop or desktop. For desktop, you can go through with there, but there is a disadvantage in the desktop also, in laptop also. In laptop you can't upgrade the laptop processor and that all thing. In desktop you can upgrade everything, like you can upgrade motherboard, processor, everything you can upgrade. In laptop you can upgrade the RAM, storage, and that all thing you can update. Not a graphic card you can update. You can't update in laptop, but you can. In laptop there is an advantage of you can take your laptop everywhere, like in college, office, and everywhere. You can't move your desktop. A desktop is a permanent. If you want to build a desktop, it will be cheaper than the laptop, but there is a disadvantage that you can't move your system everywhere. But in laptop you can move your system everywhere. For college student, mainly recommendation is there for the laptop only, and it's your choice, then you can what you want to buy. Okay, without any delay, now start with laptop list. In our list there is we are starting with a 60,000 once, and till 2 lakh we are recommending the laptop, and all the links are there in the description, so you can go through it and you can research on that all laptop. On this list there is a first laptop is there, Acer Inspire 5, a gaming laptop with the i5 12 generations. Okay, this is not a high end PC. It is a basic gaming laptop, like a, you can say that starting gaming laptop. So in this you can't think that it is the good and that all thing, but it is decent and it will fulfill your all the works, and it will do something good amount of output while rendering. Okay, you want to more research, then you can go through the descriptions, and there is a link of the laptop is there. Okay, the next laptop is Asus VivoBook K15 OLED display. Okay, this is a 62,990 rate of this laptop, and in this laptop you can find the display is 15 inch and full HD OLED displays there, OLED displays there. Okay, and in this laptop you will getting the decent amount of think i3 processor 11th generation. As compared to first one, there is something like gap is there, but in this the graphics is good, so you can go through with this also. Okay, but there is a not good amount of output in this laptop. Instead of this laptop you can go through with Asus VivoBook Pro 14 OLED 2021 or 2022. Okay, the list in this list there is a third laptop is there, Dell new G15 5511 gaming laptop. The rate of this laptop is 68,000. Okay, there is a deal is going on in the Amazon, so if you are buying this all laptops, there is you can get some discounts is there, so you can buy now also the laptop. In this Dell laptop, there is a Intel i5 11th generation, but in this laptop the processor is a high-end processor, so that was a good amount of renditions and that all thing. If you are buying this laptop, then it will give you a good amount of speed. This is the value for a money laptop. Okay, then you can go through with this laptop. Okay, the next list is there, MSI gaming GF63 thin laptop. The rate of this laptop is a 57,000, and now there's a Amazon Great Indian sales are there. Next laptop is Lenovo Legion 5 AMD Ryzen 7 uh, 5800H. You can see that H is there. Like this laptop is a high-end PC, so you can go through with this laptop also. And the rate of this laptop is 1,34,000. I know this laptop is too expensive, but if you have good amount of budget, then you can go through with this laptop. And the next laptop is HP Victus. Okay, in this laptop is also same processor is there. Graphics card difference is there. Like in Lenovo, there is a Nvidia graphics card. That was a good graphics card, but in HP Victus, there is a graphics card of RTX. Okay, so there is a slow graphics card is there, 6 GB. So price is there 1,17,000. If you are buying the good laptop, then main recommendation is there Lenovo Legion. Okay, then you can go through with that laptop because that laptop is a good. The next laptop is there MSI Gaming GF76. Okay, this laptop have the rate of 87,990. Okay, the configuration of this laptop is there Intel processor 11 generations with the high performance. The graphics card is the Nvidia GTX graphics card is there. That graphics card is also good graphics card, so you can buy this also. In this laptop there is a 144 Hz gaming laptop. Okay, display is there, so the performance is too good. Okay, the next laptop is Asus TF Gaming A15. Okay, A15 means this is a 15-inch laptop. Okay, in this also there is a three difference is there in processor. You can buy three different processor is there. Like if you are buying AMD Ryzen 9, then you will pay the 1 lakh rupees. If you are buying AMD Ryzen 7, then you should pay the money is 76,990. And if you are going through the Ryzen 5, then you should pay the amount is 58,990. Okay, the last and not a least laptop is Asus ROG Strix G17. In this laptop the amount is 95,590. Ryzen 9 Asus ROG Strix G17 Ryzen 5. The rate of this laptop is 2,03,990. But in this laptop there is a many. In this laptop you can see that Ryzen 9 619HX. HX means this is a new generation processor with a high end. Like till 2021 there is a processor like H only, like high performance only. But now in 2022 there is a processor is there high end PCs. Like you can go through with this laptop also, because in this also 1 TB SSD. If you don't want 1 TB SSD, you can go through it downside also. There is options in Amazon. And there is a many list are there more. You can check the description also, and you can check the Telegram also. We are posting more laptops in the Telegram also, so you can buy it from there also. If you are getting a new laptop, then we will update there only. Then subscribe to our channel also and share to your friends that who want to buy the laptop. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. I think this video is helpful for you all. Thank you.